luck. Buena suerte. We're going to do, this thing's been sitting there forever. Rookies and Stars and Elements Football. Good luck, senor. Buena suerte. 2 autographs, 1 memorabilia card per box. Ultra rare nuclear inserts. God, this thing's been sitting there since it released. We got a fat card in here. Oh, yeah, boy! Drew Brees! That is 44 of 250. Then we've got Kyle Trask, 56 of 199. But check out this monster of a card. Whoa, 1 of 1. Terrace Marshall Jr. Yeah, boy! Ozzie Newsome, Hall of Fame, 1999. What is this number 2? 44 of 75. Oh man, I was saying yeah boy because I thought it was the other quarterback. Tom Brady for the Patriots. Xenon. And that is number 35 of 54. Is that the card we're looking for? Oh, no clear. That's the card we're looking for. I thought it was, I could see the team. I could see the team, but I couldn't see the number. I was hoping it would be Mac Jones. Yeah, that was dope. Where's my Alright, let's see. Well, we got 2 and 2 in this one, right? 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia. Pat Mahomes, 37 of 99, Kyler Murray. Ovation. Airborne. Brett Favre. DeForest Buckner. Eric Stokes. Davis Mills. Boom. And Jamin Davis. Rager, Johnson, Harris, and Josh Jacobs. 5 of 25. You got Simi Fehoko, 5 of 5. Stellar Rookies, Jamar Chase. Travis Kelce, Daniel Hunter, Jess Fitzpatrick, Boogie. Justin Fields. This bag's been sitting there forever too. 69 of 99. And a red, 63 of 99, Najee Harris. Justin Fields, Devontae Smith, Terrace Marshall Jr., Allen McNeil. What should I have his relics, huh? No. Jamar Chase, 170 of 199. 14 of 35, Booby, Miles Sanders. Trevor Lawrence, white. Why is that white? Crusade. This is Prism, not numbered. Myles Garrett, Baker Mayfield, Pat Fryermuth, and Amari Rodgers. One more jersey card. Where is it? DJ Moore, 32 of 99. Kyler Murray, Airborne, 35 of 149 on Kyler Murray. Touchdown Club, Alvin Kamara, Kyle Pitts, Darnell Hall, Devontae Smith. All right, last pack. This should be a jersey card in here. Boom, Kellen Mond. It is Anthony Schwartz for the Browns. 140 of 199. Kwity Paye, 26 of 49. Travis Etienne Jr., not numbered. Star-studded. Zach Cunningham, Trey Lance. Draft class. Javon Morig and Kellen Mond. And wow, very nice 2 boxes there. Holy smokes. Thank you, Cigar. Appreciate it as always.